Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Han. In today's video, I will show you how I paint the sunflower with watercolor. Specifically, we are going to use salt in the background for some unique technique and use abstract brush strokes. In the last minute, we will remove some colors from the leaves. So we will use wet on wet technique and loose style and salt and abstract brush strokes. I hope you have fun. This is a sketch for today's painting. This one is that we have drawn by pencils last week. So we are already known about the sunflower shape and the light and shadows. Okay. So before we start, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and leave a good comment. This is a sea salt and we are going to use for the background. And for today's colors, permanent yellow light, cadmium yellow deep, yellow ocher, sap green, ultramarine deep, and burnt umber. First step is I'm wetting this paper of the petals area one by one. Next, take a permanent yellow light to apply in the all petals little by little, step by step, little by little. Now I'm using the permanent yellow light, but if you don't have this color, you can use any similar uh, with my colors, or you can use any orange or a light yellow, any colors you can use it. Don't worry about it. Don't follow my painting exactly. Okay. Next, take a mixture of cadmium yellow deep and yellow ocher to add where the pattern meets the center of the flower area. Try to all of the flower area. Change it to a thin brush and then draw where the pattern meets the center of the flower with a darker mixture of cadmium yellow deep and yellow ocher. Try one more time on the same area where the pattern meets the center of the flower area. So I'm doing to make sure the shape and petal shape and colors. Next, I'm mixing yellow ochre and burnt umber to apply it on the center of the flower area. As we know, there are a lot of small brown seeds there. So I will use light brown and dark brown for seeds and use some dots. In this time, I did not apply some water on the paper before the coloring, just applying the colors directly. Now I'm taking the burnt umber and put on the center of the flower area, and then next I'm dotting on the seed area and then around the edge of the center of the flower area. Next, I'm planning to draw the side view of the leaf and stems. So I get some subgreen to draw the stem first. After finishing the stem, I will paint the large leaf using a mixture of subgreen and yellow ochre. Now I'm mixing yellow ochre and subgreen. I've draw the leaves, salt very light value of color, and then second I will use a little bit darker than this color. Yeah, this one is the second stroke, second layer. So I painted with a little bit darker subgreen. I tried to draw another a big large leaf with the mixture of yellow ochre and subgreen. This one is the ultramarine deep. I want to make the more darker green, so very small for the very small tiny leaf. Switch the brush and I draw some detail. Next, let's draw veins in the leaves with thin brush using dark green. Dark green means I mixed subgreen mix ultramarine deep. This is my one of the favorite skill, that is remove some part of the colors from leaf for looking nature and organic. If you like it, try it on your idea. Through some veins, and now I'm dotting with make some patterns and draw veins again. Now I'm mixing burnt umber and saffron for the another big large leaves. I'm using very uh, light color, and this one is the first layer for this leaf. And then next one is I got some little dark value of the color, and then I'm adding on the this first layer. Underneath the petal area is always a darkest area, so I'm adding on the that area with the dark and thick value of the color. Draw veins and draw some texture on the leaf. It's finally time to paint the background we've been waiting for. Let's try using salt, loose style, and abstract brush strokes. Apply a lot of water to the paper, mix yellow ochre and soft green, then paint freely, dance with the brush. Look at my brush strokes. And changing directions here and there, move the brush freely as if it's dancing on the paper. Can you imagine dancing on the paper? Feel the brush flying across the paper here and there, and dancing here and there. And then tilt the paper and adding water a little more. And I got burnt umber, and I'm trying to again the the brushy fly on the paper, dancing on the paper, and dance with the brush, and yeah, it's very freely. You can paint your brush, move your brush very freely. Okay. Alright, it seems good enough, so let's sprinkle some salt on the paper. The best time is when the colors is applied thickly and the paper has just the right amount of moisture. Here is my paper. Seems a bit too wet. However, I already sprinkled, okay, and splattered some dark yellow here and there. And then now we have to wait until the salt absorbs the paint and the paper dries. Okay. Mm, it seems like the flowers colors are too light, so I should paint the petals with a darker yellow once again. Now I'm using cadmium yellow dip. And then let's draw in more detail where we want. Then let's wait for the paper and the salt to dry. Okay. Switch the brush and I get some burnt umber. I make sure the petal shape and between petals I try to uh, draw some dark lines with the make sure the shape. Now that the salt seems to be dry, so gently sweep it away with a large brush. Okay. Alright, that's good. And then if there are any areas that need touch-ups, go ahead and do something and make sure the shape or the use the splatter technique for any ideas, your own ideas. And I want to do remove some colors from here, so I use a synthetic brush and paper towel. Okay, our painting is now finished. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again next week with a happy face. Bye.